guys, welcome back. This is me carrying you guys throughout my journey at my wig installation class. Only $10,000 at Hair Pastry. My apologies, Hair Pastry. So if you want to go ahead and learn the process, plucking, bleaching, how to install your wig, go over to them. Yes, the video will tell you everything because I put every instruction that I did in the video here. We're not listening too long. Yeah. But yes, and here's my client walking in. You see her head mad? Yeah. But she appreciated the install. Never gone too rough. But yeah, girl angle herself. Angle triangle. I don't know about but the wig did put out nice. The only thing I did, or you can see, I didn't want to put more from the baby ear. She never want too much baby ear. And you will see it in the last part of my video. So thank you for watching. Peace. Yay. That's me. Angle triangle it. Yes. I'm proud of myself. Thank you for watching.